Mami Naomi.
Yeah, me do also. Afra kuma. The patch bra. Afra kuma. When you say me power in you, I think there is something wrong going on between you and your husband.
Mami Naomi. Apart from all this,
Answer me. Am I lying? I don't even think your husband sleeps with you.
hey Mami Naomi. Honestly, you are going too far. Apart from all these questions.
Listen, Afrakuma, me pe wasempa, and I want to help you. So pe krana, me do be ko ma me ho. Enemrem, yentina be ma ba ko ma ni di sansem fu se enche wa ariase.
See them how they go from one to another.
Oba koko fefefe na ha say. Ah, what's up, my darling? What's up?
So harmless as a dove.
Mami Naomi,
Yes.
They are by so pleasant to the
I don't think you know what you are saying. I love my husband. And I will love him till I die. Mami Naomi, thank you very much for your advice.
And then my party, Mimi 244 per say. Be my fool, I go find out what you when you say. Oh no, this is too much.